This is Dr. Lam along with Dr. Carrie talking to you today about the benefits of turmeric. First, Dr. Carrie, what is turmeric?
Turmeric is like this root. It's orange and sometimes yellow that you can find in the markets, and you're like, what is this? It kind of looks like a ginger, and it has really good anti-inflammatory properties to it.
And how long has it been used for this type of characteristic?
Thousands and thousands of years. If you can go back to Ayurvedic medicine or Indians, that's why turmeric is used a lot in their curries, is because it's a really delicious spice, and it's also very healthy for your body.
Mm-hmm. And why do we even need this? I mean, are there other alternatives?
So the special thing about turmeric is the compound curcumin. This activated compound has been shown to be really good for inflammation, even like, we'll go through actually the 6 benefits. So the first benefit is studies have actually shown that turmeric is really good for inflammation. If you have like joint pain or discomfort from old age, like a wear and tear, kind of arthritis or arthritic pain, then turmeric has actually been shown to be able to relieve that discomfort, okay? So that's one benefit of turmeric that can actually help. The second benefit is it can actually regulate menstrual periods. I know it's really interesting, but it's also very dose dependent, meaning some people are not able to eat whole roots, and so it's not, you have to be able to find the right dosing of this. And it can also aid in digestion. Have you ever tried turmeric before?
Yes, actually it is very useful. We have a lot of adrenal fatigue sufferers that have gastric issues. I think the key is not so much the compound, because the compound is good, but how to use it properly to titrate with the body's mucosal assimilation ability. A lot of people in adrenal fatigue have SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or they may have a leaky gut where the mucosa gap is inflammatory and widens. So compounds such as this are very good, provided that you do it right. If you don't do it right, unfortunately, you can get actually more irritable. Okay, so this is very different from a normal healthy person that can benefit versus an adrenal fatigue person.
Right, we do see some people that get better with turmeric, but some people that are very sensitive and can't even handle the strong spice.
Yeah, and the more sensitive you are, the more weak a person is. Unfortunately, the body tends to slow down in that process, and they don't like to have these external substances that goes in.
Turmeric is also very good for liver function, so it helps your liver be able to metabolize the hormones, the supplements, things that you're taking every day, and so the curcumin is very important in liver function.
It also boosts immune response, and we know that a strong immune response is actually very important in the whole recovery process. Many people, especially those with adrenal fatigue, tend to be weak in the immune system. But I don't think that you can depend on turmeric 100%. You know, it's part of a regimen of a complete blueprint to cover the 6 circuits of the adrenal response, so that the body get a total healing. But it's very important for sure, especially if you do it right.
Right. And along with the boosting of the immune system comes with the dampening of the inflammatory response. And so those are our 6 benefits of turmeric. There are many ways to take them, whether it's a dried powdered root, whether it's a fermented form, whether it's a tincture, or even just eating the root itself. So there's many ways, and there's different grams and dosages that you need to get in order to have
And that is very tricky, because you know, if you just eat a turmeric powder versus if you ferment it and have it go through a pre-digested form, the result at the cellular level, it can be very, very different. And so the more sensitive you are, the more careful you have to be. There's not to say one is better than the other. Sometimes high doses can actually be worse for you if your body is not ready.
Right. It can increase your metabolic overload, and you're not able to handle it. So we're here just to talk about the benefits of turmeric. We hope you enjoyed this video, as we're here to empower you to take control of your health.